Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss new Shopify tutorials, integrations, and growth tips for your online business. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and use the BookX appointment booking app within your Shopify store. This can be an incredibly valuable tool for efficiently managing customer appointments and enhancing their overall shopping experience on your site. So let's dive right in and walk through each step carefully, ensuring you grasp everything you need to get started right away. First, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard by logging into your store. Once you're logged into Shopify, you should see the familiar home screen with all your store options laid out neatly. From there, locate and click on Settings, which can usually be found at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can make various adjustments to your store's operations. Before installing new apps, it's always a good idea to double-check that you have admin-level permissions. Some integrations may not work properly if you're logged in as a staff member without full access. Next, within the Settings menu, you're going to want to click on Apps and Sales Channels. This is where you'll manage the apps installed on your Shopify store. Installing apps can greatly enhance your store's functionality, and finding them is fairly straightforward. Once you're in this section, the next step is to click on the Shopify App Store. It's here that you can search and explore an array of applications designed specifically for Shopify users. In the search bar within the Shopify App Store, type in Appointment Booking. This will bring up a list of available apps that cater to appointment scheduling. You'll notice that there are a variety of apps available, each offering different features, pricing plans, and integrations. The one we're focusing on today is the BookX appointment booking app. BookX is particularly useful if you offer services that require time slots, like consultations, spa sessions, product demos, or custom fittings. It's flexible enough for both online and in-person scheduling. When you find it in the search results, go ahead and click on it. After selecting the BookX app, you'll need to click on the Install button to add it to your store. Installation is usually quick and will seamlessly integrate the app into your Shopify admin panel, ready for you to configure it to your liking. Once it's added, you'll typically be prompted to approve some permissions. Don't worry, these permissions simply allow the app to sync appointments with your product catalog, checkout, and customer accounts securely. Once installed, head back to the Shopify main dashboard and navigate to the Online Store section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Customize, which you'll want to click. This action will take you to the theme customization page, where you can alter the look and feel of your store. This step is important because it determines how your booking options visually appear to customers on your storefront. On this page, search for the App Embeds option and click that. Now locate BookX from the list of embedded apps and click on its name. This will take you to a screen where you can enable additional features provided by the app. Specifically, search for the option Enable Cart Validation and be sure to select it. This step ensures your appointment bookings integrate with your cart functionality seamlessly. Cart validation is essential if your business allows customers to book multiple appointments or combine products and services in one checkout. It helps prevent double bookings and errors. Finally, you'll find a toggle button associated with BookX Seats. Make sure this toggle is turned to Enable to fully activate the app. Once that's done, navigate within BookX to find the Get Started button and select it. This will initiate any final setup steps required by BookX to begin scheduling appointments on your store. You might be asked to configure time slots, service durations, staff availability, or even custom fields for customer input. Take your time to explore these, as they let you fine-tune the app to fit your specific business model. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully installed and configured the BookX appointment booking app on Shopify. Feel free to explore its features and settings further to tailor it to your needs and make the most of this efficient scheduling tool. Once you're comfortable with the setup, try testing your appointment process as a customer. Book a slot yourself to make sure everything, including confirmation emails and checkout flow, works smoothly. Integrating a booking app like BookX can transform your Shopify store from a standard product site into a service-friendly platform, making it easier for customers to connect with you, schedule visits, and make repeat purchases. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials that help you streamline your business operations and improve your customer experience.